In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 86 key fob and change the internal battery at home. It is very easy to do. All you will need is one of these regular flathead screwdrivers and a CR2016 battery. You will just need one of those, and if you'd like to pick one of those up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then the first step is to look at where the key ring attaches. Up on the side there is a little slot, kind of an indentation in the plastic. We're going to be inserting our flathead screwdriver in there and opening this thing up. But here's a little important note for you. This back side needs to be facing up. So you want to be looking at this Toyota symbol, not the one with the buttons. So go ahead and make sure that Toyota symbol is facing up, and then we're just going to insert in there, hold the device loosely, twist the screwdriver. It will crack open, and then you'll be able to lift up this back piece of plastic. And here we have a little kind of box inside there. Lift this up carefully, still maintaining this kind of orientation. Let me show you why. Lift this up. In there we have all of our buttons, and they will fall out, and they're quite tricky to put back in. So just set this now to the side carefully so we don't lose those buttons. And now we can come over to this component here. You see that arrow? It says use coin to open, and it's pointing right to this area. We're going to use the same flathead screwdriver. Of course, you could use a coin. You just want to insert the tool in between this black plastic and the clear plastic in this little indentation. And again, we are just twisting. Just twist to start to open this thing up, and then you can pull it apart with your fingers. Set the black piece to the side. And now looking with this little metal component pointing down, we want to put the flathead screwdriver right on the top of the battery, and you want to go in between the battery and this little rubber part there. You're going to insert the flathead screwdriver in and kind of wiggle it down and just pry the battery back, or just kind of even stick it in. Let me show you that one more time. And fix this little rubber component. There we go, back to normal there. We're just going to insert behind the battery, and you see that it just clicks right out. Get rid of your old battery and get a new CR2016 battery. And if you don't know where to get one of those, again, there will be that link in the description. And make sure you're putting your battery in positive side up. So you want to see that text and information there. And then what we will do is slide it down towards this metal component first, and then you're going to click in the top. So you're sliding down and then clicking in the top, and you can see it's like nice and secure behind these little pieces of plastic that hold it into place. All we need to do now is just reattach everything. So go ahead and click this back on there, carefully pick up your key, and you can set this right on top. It fits in there like a puzzle piece, so just line it all up, set that on top, and finally click the back into place. And that's pretty much it. You are good to go now. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And remember, if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.